This video demonstrates the process for changing the time delay setting on a SENSORWORX model SWX100 series wall switch sensor. First, press and hold the push button until the indicator LED begins flashing rapidly in blue, then release. Next, tap the button 2 times to enter function 2, which is the time delay setting. The LED will blink back white, the number of times equal to the current setting, according to the table printed on the included instruction card. The default is 4 blinks, which corresponds to 10 minutes. To change the setting, interrupt the blinking sequence by pressing the button the number of times for the new desired setting. For this demonstration, I'm changing the setting to 5, which corresponds to 15 minutes. The LED will blink back white, the new number, as confirmation. To exit and save, press and hold the push button until the LED changes from blue to white, then release. The unit will blink white twice, indicating the save was successful. Note that if the LED blinks back twice blue at any point in this process, an error condition occurred, and you will need to repeat the process from the beginning. Now let's see this process in real time. Press and hold to enter programming mode. Press 2 times to enter time delay programming function. Observe the flashback at the default setting of 4 for 10 minutes. Enter the new setting of 5 for 15 minutes. Observe confirmation of the new setting. Press and hold to exit and save.
Okay.
Observe the rapid white flashing as confirmation of success.